Hi, this is Vanessa with Designs by Vanessa. Today I have a quick tutorial on how I sew my tags onto my beanie. Someone had asked me to show them how I sew on my tags. So here's one that I already have sewn on. I have a contrasting color thread here so you can see. And I'm still trying to find the perfect way for me. Still experimenting. So this one, these are suede tags that I purchased from Sweet Pine Hills. And I really like these tags. You can find them on Etsy. Okay, and I have my beanie here that I'm ready to tag. And you'll need embroidery thread, or you can use the yarn that you used for your piece. Sometimes I do that too. But I'm going to use embroidery thread, and this color here matches the beanie more, so I'll use that color. And then you need a tapestry needle. I just picked one that I can fit through the holes of my tag, and I do have 4 holes on my tag because you can order different options. And of course you'll need some scissors. So I like to find the seam on the back and make sure it's in the back. And then I place my tags either on the left or right side. So I'm going to put this one here on this corner of my beanie. Okay, so I start in the back because that's where I'm going to tie off my knot. And then I'm just going to go through the very first hole and out through the other side. Okay, and then pull it through, making sure that you leave a tail so that you can use it to tie it up later. And then go into the very next hole and out the other side. Of course, you want to go through the right hole. So let me try this again. Okay, through the next hole. And then you want to gently pull it through, and don't pull too tight because the tag will bunch up. Just gently tug on it. And then right into the third hole. Okay, and then up through the other side. And then finally, of course, you want to go through the last hole. So like I said, I just started doing this. I'm still experimenting. So this is my latest way of doing this. I inserted back through the third or the next hole and right underneath the tag, and then pull it through. Again, just gently pulling it. And then I want to thread it into the starting tail, the beginning tail, and then run that through the next hole and through right behind the tag. Not all the way through the beanie, but just right behind the tag. Okay, so then I want to gently pull that through. And then now I'm going to tie these 2 ends. And the first knot, you want to do it gently because it will bunch. And then gently tie another knot. And then the third and fourth knot, you can start pulling it a little tighter to secure. And then if it bunches a little, just tug on the corners. And then I used to weave in the ends, but now I just snip it off. Alright, I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video.